Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for all vinyl enthusiasts and crafters alike. We found this incredible transfer tape online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Let's get started with what this product is. This is the HTVRONT Transfer Tape for vinyl, measuring 5.5 inches by 50 feet. It's designed specifically for use with adhesive vinyl, making it a fantastic tool for transferring your designs onto various surfaces. Whether you're creating decals, signs, or stickers, this transfer tape is here to make your projects seamless and hassle-free. Now, let's talk about some of the most important features this transfer tape offers. First off, it's made from special coated paper that's smoother than ordinary paper, which makes tearing it a breeze. No more wrestling with stubborn transfer tape. Additionally, it features a clear red alignment grid with half-an-inch see-through orange grid lines. This grid is super handy for measuring and cutting your vinyl transfer tape accurately, reducing waste, and making your projects more efficient. Another great feature is the medium tack level of the tape. It strikes the perfect balance, not too sticky that you can't transfer your designs, but sticky enough to lift your project effortlessly. This makes it user-friendly for everyone, from beginners to seasoned crafters, and is especially great for smaller projects. One of the standout qualities of the HTVRONT Transfer Tape is its no residue formula. It won't leave behind any sticky residue on your vinyl, ensuring that your designs look clean and professional once transferred. Plus, you won't have to worry about the tape ripping or tearing your work, which can be a common issue with lesser quality products. This transfer tape is suitable for a wide range of users, from DIY crafters to professional sign makers. If you're someone who loves creating custom stickers or personalized decorations, this product is a must-have in your crafting toolkit. It's compatible with various indoor and outdoor adhesive vinyl accessories, and it works beautifully with machines like Cameo, Silhouette, ProvoCraft, and Pazzles, among others. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're planning a home decor project, you can use this transfer tape to apply vinyl quotes or designs to walls, windows, or furniture. It's also perfect for creating personalized gifts, think custom mugs, t-shirts, or tote bags. You can even make beautiful labels for organizing your space or crafting unique signage for events or parties. The possibilities are truly endless. In summary, the HTVRONT Transfer Tape for vinyl is a versatile and reliable tool that can elevate your crafting game. With its user-friendly features, high-quality materials, and wide range of applications, it's a fantastic addition to any crafter's arsenal. Plus, you won't have to compromise on quality while saving money, making it an economical choice for all your vinyl transfer needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.